Let the madness begin.
It even smells spicy. Alright. Alright. Whew. This one kicks instantly as soon as it touches the tongue. Not like the other one. You're dying too? Yeah, okay. Second bite and I already feel tears and sweat. Combo clot. No rasta. This is worse than Scotch bonnet. Even the egg spicy now. Oh, Jesus. It still tastes good, I think, but I can't feel my lips anymore. I can't feel my lips. If pain and regret had a baby, this would be it. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to get through everything before I eat the ice cream. I think. I hope. No. I'm crying. I'm sweating and crying. It hurts to bite. It hurts to swallow. It even hurts to breathe. No, sir. No, man. Everything from my lips, my gums, my tongue, and my throat burns going down. My stomach is starting to feel warm. I feel like my body is going into shock. I can't feel my face. I can't feel my face. No. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm actually crying. Oh my god. Can I just... Mommy! Oh, you're done. I'm not. I'm struggling. My sinus is draining. My tears. Everything.
What help?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe. You wanna bite? Oh, fucking god. I can't finish it. Oh, you have water over there. And the ice cream. That's why you're having fun. Okay. But no, I need the ice cream. I can't finish it without... Ah, Jesus. No. Avocado. I can't even talk. Avocado ice cream. Oh. I still can't feel my face. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I don't know. I can't taste the ice cream because my tongue is fucked. I'm crying. I'm crying. You want the rest of this? I don't know. I don't think I can. It hurts to breathe. That's fine. It's getting worse. I'm done.
Want to try it again?
No, fuck this. This is the worst thing I've ever eaten. If you like my suffering, like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Don't eat this shit. Don't do it. Unless you hate yourself like me. Maybe. Ah!
It's not that red. I've noticed.
What?
It's not that red.
It's not that red? It doesn't need to be red. Oh yeah, I can't handle it, huh? Are you dying?
The ice cream is helping.
Ah, join my suffering. I tell you one thing, it clears all my sinuses. Are you crying? You're crying!
Fuck you!
Remember to subscribe. Avocado ice cream was not working. Bubble tea to the rescue.